Hey guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing well and taking ample care of yourself and your family members. So guys, a scam is nowadays becoming very popular here in Canada and I know across the world because I had seen some relevant videos from India too. If you are a car owner, please invest some money and buy a dashcam. So this happened to someone I know. So he was going at a place in Toronto when there was a car that was like stopped at a red signal, and he just stopped behind the car with sufficient distance. All of a sudden that car backed for absolutely no reason, at all, and hit his front. And then one man and one woman came out of the car and approached, but within 10 seconds they returned back to their car and fled. You know why? Because that guy had a dash cam. So when they approached and they had their face full of anger, although they were committing the scam. But when they saw the dash cam, they ran away because they knew that nothing they can do with this dash cam. If they file anything, it's gonna hit them back, and it's gonna hit them really hard. So how much a dash cam cost? It begins from even $50. But if you're buying something, do not buy a cheap dash cam, buy a high resolution, at least front and rear. I use 360-degree, but you can buy front and rear too, but definitely buy it. Regardless of the place you are, even if you are living in the States or even if you are living in India, definitely buy it. Because in India also I have seen some videos where people deliberately jumping in front of the car just to extort some money. So this is gonna protect you a lot, guys, because you have the evidence. You have the evidence that what you have done, what you haven't. Because these scammers, they basically target the roadsides that do not have a camera. If they don't do it at a busy intersection where there are so many cameras around, because they know that in case their moment is captured at a camera, there's nothing they're gonna get. Instead, they are gonna be charged. So that is why they target such especially secluded places. Okay. So regardless of the place you are driving, regardless of the place you are going, have the dash cam ready for yourself always. That's all I would say. It's a very small investment and can save you thousands and lot of headache and getting scammed. Okay. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.